Today I'm going to show you how to make money online using the website called www.wish.com. Wish.com is a website where a lot of products are sold. Virtually, you can buy every product on this website. The good thing about this website is that the prices are good and they are affordable. And depending on the amount your money you pay for shipment, you receive your goods. For express, you pay higher price and your goods are shipped to you expressly. Well, I've been using this website for quite some time, and so I'm comfortable introducing it to anybody who wants to make use of this website. I've been using this website for quite some time, and I have actually loved this website. Prices are good, the goods are durable, the goods are good. Now let me focus on one or two prices of some specific items that are on sale, and this can be compared to prices in other online selling websites, and then you can judge for yourself how good this website is. In the first place, I'm going to look at a product that is a camera. This is 16x digital zoom camera of 1080p. The price is $12. See, okay. Let me look at other products. We have another product. This one, it is also a camera, and this camera is quite an expensive camera. This camera is autofocus AF camera, 33MP 1080p. This camera is only for $173, but the actual price in any regular store is $1,276, and also comes along with other lenses. Other products that I want to talk about are SD card. You can see this SD card. This SD card is 512 gigabyte. How much is it? Only $3. The regular price is what? $29. Okay. We have other products that are not camera. Now let's go to other products. Let me search for laptops. Let's see how much laptops cost. Okay, laptops. Okay, now we have laptops here. You see, we have laptops, about 6 laptops. Let's check the prices. Here, this laptop is ultra thin laptop, 14.1 inches, screen 1920 1080 display pixel, 6 GB plus 64 GB Windows 10. How much is it? $364. But the real price is for $3,888. See the margin? Another laptop here. This laptop is Ultrabook, narrow bezel, SSD fast speed. Okay, how much is it? $193. The real price is $861. This is just amazing. We have other laptops too. In fact, we have a laptop that is as low as $20. Okay, this laptop is called Micro Deca MacBook Sticker MacBook Keyboard Deca MacBook Pro keyboard skin. This laptop is just $20. It's just amazing. It's just very much amazing. So what I'm trying to say is, make use of this website and make profit out of this website. Buy low, sell high at other online marketplaces, and you'll be happy about it. At least you can get supplemental income. Alright, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye bye.